I'm Mrs. Coley, Title I teacher at Ely. I work with kindergarten and some first graders. Today's lesson is going to be on letter sounds and blending them into words and hearing the sounds in the words. So your job is to guess the word that I'm saying. I'll start with and. And. If you guessed and, you're correct. Or. The. Was. Was. As. Be. Be. As. Oh, I gave you the next one. He. Is. His. Is. She. She. We. We. You. You. Are. I. By. Come. Do. Do. Or. For. From. Have. Have. It. Little. Look. I. My. Of. One. Out. Said. Said. A. They. To. To. Remember, when a is a word, we say instead of or a. Thank you for playing along today. If you have a good picture of all 30 of these words that we just did, these are the top 30 words in kindergarten and first grade that you need to know. So, snap a little picture of those words and you can practice those at home. Thank you.